Alright, here's a preview of EvHunter, an app for Evony that can help you find anything you want on the map. It runs on the Windows client, but can also be useful for if you're running in BlueStacks, except for a lot of the functions won't work quite yet in BlueStacks. But the essential hunting tool will work if you can plan out a macro to swipe over all the entire map or just a portion of it that you want to search. Here I am running a scan. I just swiped all over it with a built-in macro that has various scan functions. It scans either one of 4 quadrants, which covers about a quarter of the map. It takes about 2 minutes to run and swipe over all of it, imitating the mouse click and drag, left and right, up and down. I have a big scan that will run all 4 quadrants, and a short scan that runs just around your own keep, and it runs about 300 kilometers each way out. Each one takes about 2 minutes to run, except for the big scan takes about 8 minutes to run through. Here I am selecting some Ymir and some pyramids to look for. I have a list that populated automatically of all the ones that I have come across in the scan of the area that I've searched or swiped over, and you can double click these and it will copy the X coordinates, double click again and it copies the Y coordinates, paste it into the finder, and there's some pyramids. This one's unoccupied, so I'll move over to it. I also have a built-in bookmark function that you just click it and it automatically bookmarks everything that you have check marked. I will say this runs on the Windows client and BlueStacks, and it works ideally in the screen resolution of 1920 by 1080. Here it also has an auto join function that pretty much joins any rallies going on. Other functions involve built-in auto click, which is always helpful when training T1s, and lots of other tedious tasks in Evony. Also included is an auto market function that can buy lots of stamina, because you're going to need lots of stamina if you're running an auto join. It's not the fastest, but it is pretty efficient at buying stamina. Check out the links below. Like and comment if this has saved you any time. Check out the other video of how using Cheat Engine to find things on the map. Pretty much the same process, but with an external software called Cheat Engine. Well, let's see, there's also a custom code function that you can grab codes of any monsters or places on the keep, like the Clash of Civilization temples. You could pull a code for that and plug it into the custom code box in the Hunter menu. It will pull up all the ones in the area or the ones that you have swiped over and found. Make sure you run this app as administrator, and you can always read the README file or the help file built in. And like, comment below if you found this helpful, and consider a donation or a purchase, as I have a 5-day free trial for this app. Here is my top score in pyramids. Thank you.